how do you connect the laptop and bring up your Thermo-King Tripac software. Now I have a 2019 Thermo-King Tripac Evolution, and I'm using a diesel laptop from Diesel Laptop Company. This is a Panasonic Toughbook, so it looks like. So I'm in my cargo box area. Right here is the APU controller, and I'm going to close this and then reconnect everything so you can see what it looks like. Okay, there's a wire, a USB connection. It's connected to your controller right here. See how it comes out right there? So you have your USB. Then you have a USB connector somewhere on your laptop. Just connect this. Okay? And what you want to do is, once it's connected, you go to Windows. See how that's Windows? File Explorer. You know, you could go to the Start menu and find it in there as well. But I already have it on my Start board, so just double click on that File Explorer. Okay? Now I'll bring up your File Explorer program. Then if you come over here on the left, you'll see Tripac Evolution. And it's actually this one right here, the D file. So then you click on that, it'll bring up all the files for the Tripac Evolution. So what I like to do is I like to double click on that auto run. Okay, it'll do the auto run. That's just a little program. And then I come down here and I hit the start button. Double click on the start button. And then that'll bring up the Tripac Evolution software. Now you'll see it's loading values. In order for the load values, you have to have your APU running. So I just got done doing a PM. I just did a full PM on my APU. I'm at 3,000 hours. So it'll load your values. See my hours right here, 3,000 hours. My APU is only a year old, a little over a year old, like a year and 4 months old. I run pretty consistent, so the APU runs generally 10 hours a day. So I rack up the hours pretty quick. You can see the voltage, the amps. It'll tell you the RPM, oil pressure's okay. I got it on the cool setting. I'm not heating, I'm on the cool setting. I'm air conditioning my truck. I'm in Texas right now, so it's a little warm, even at 11 o'clock at night. Fan speed's medium. See your hour meter and alarms. Now if you go over here, this is your menu options, and you could go down here to alarms, and it'll load any current alarms. I don't have any current alarms, but if there were, there would be a log of the alarms, and then the bottom one's the most recent. But you can clear those, and then you go up here to system monitoring. It's loading values. Again, in order for it to load values, your APU has to be running. So you can check everything out. See the APU switch is on, the voltage. See, I got the air conditioning running right now. It's 80 degrees inside my cab. So it'll keep loading values and keep updating. Now you can go to other things like programmable settings. I don't screw around with that too much, but there are things you can do to come in here and change some of those settings if you wanted to. So like say you want to change your battery voltage restart value. I have it at 12.6. You could change that to whatever you want. You know, the high temperature limit cool 75, low temperature limit cool 65. When it gets down to 65, that's pretty cold. High temperature heat 80 degrees. I don't want the heat coming on and going above 80, but I do want it to come on when it gets down as low as 60. But you can change those values. Now there's other things like service tests. I haven't messed with that, or the software upgrade. I haven't messed with that. There's a unit setup. So my alternator is 120 amps. Then there's tools. A lot of these things that technician would do. Enter security pin. I don't know what that is. I think it might be 888 or 000, but I never go in there, so I never use it. But if you really wanted to know what that is, I would just ask Thermo-King. I'm sure they'd be happy to tell you. So that's how you hook up the laptop.